Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. It's Christmas morning in Venice, Florida, 72 degrees. Doesn't seem a whole lot like Christmas. It's not cold, there's no snow, there's no ice, but we're loving it still the same. And it may not be Christmas when you view this video, but we got a special cook coming up today. We're gonna be smoking up some prime rib. And it's good on Christmas, New Year's, any holiday, or just any day at all. It's good stuff. So we're gonna get this thing prepped up. I've done them before, and we're gonna do this one a little bit different. And it's gonna be good, so stick around. We got a paste we're gonna put on this thing, and we're gonna smoke him up, and it's gonna make for some good eating. So let's get started. Okay, we got our ingredients loaded up in the little KitchenAid mixer here, and we're gonna give it a swirl and get this stuff all mixed up. Give this stuff a good mix and get it like a paste. Okay, that's gonna do it for the mixing. Let's take the lid off, see what she looks like. Oh yeah, it's a nice thick paste. We got that all ready to go, and we're gonna get this guy all lathered up. Here's that rib roast. And this is gonna be our setup for our cook. We got a aluminum pan here, a little bit of water in it, and that's gonna be used to catch the drippings off of this rib roast. And that may come in handy. Drizzle that over the prime rib when it's cut, ready to serve. So first of all, we're gonna spray her down with some extra virgin olive oil. I love this sprayer, and I'll have a link in the description underneath the video if you want to pick one of these up. So we're just gonna give this a nice coat of olive oil. And then we're gonna go on top with some SPG. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Here's what we're going to be putting on our meat here. Give it a little coat of the SPG original from Dizzy Pig. And we want to get it on all sides. Okay, next we're going to go in with our garlic butter paste. We got that all mixed up here, and we're just going to give this guy a coat. See how that goes. That's going to give it a lot of flavor. It should help on that bark, or as I like to call it, meat candy, on the outside of this meat. So we got it lathered up here pretty good. So here she is, all lathered up and ready to go. Got the paste on there. And we're gonna go outside and get that RecTeq 700 bull fired up and get that up to 250, and then we'll be throwing this meat on. Okay, let me show you what we're gonna be cooking on today. This will be the RecTeq 700 bull right here, the big guy. And next to it, I got the little 380 RecTeq sitting beside it. As you can see, this is a little wet. It's been sprinkling here a little bit today, but it's just a matter of firing this guy up. Power on. Last cook was set at low. I made some jerky, and low on this guy is about 185. But today we're going to be cooking at 250. So we're going to turn that up to 250. Let that get all heated up, and then we'll be putting that meat on. Okay, we got this RecTeq up to 250. Took about 15 minutes. We got that prime rib sitting in here. we're gonna get this lid closed and let her smoke. Okay, it's still smoking away. That meat temperature showing about 94 degrees right now. So let's go ahead and take a peek. Oh yeah, starting to look good. Look at that. It's really looking good. So we're gonna get her closed up, let her finish. Okay guys, that prime rib's been on there about an hour and 45 minutes. And internal temperature's up to about 96. And we're gonna let that guy climb to 125 and get that pulled off and let it rest in here for about a half hour or so. But I wanted to take this time to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Chances are you're not watching this at Christmas time, but I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. And let me know what you guys like to cook up during the holidays, whether it be a prime rib, ham, or you know, whatever you like. Let me know. Leave that in the comment section, and maybe that'll give me some ideas for my next cook. So we'll wait here a little bit longer, get that thing pulled in here, let it rest, and be doing a taste test. That's my favorite part, so I can't wait for that. So don't go anywhere. It's gonna be some good eating. Okay guys, here it is. It's looking mighty good. It was on that smoker for about 3 hours. Pulled it at 125. So we're gonna go ahead and get this guy wrapped up in foil, let it rest for about 30 minutes, then the taste test. Okay guys, it's been sitting here for a half hour, resting, getting all nice and happy. Look at this guy. It's really looking good. And what we're gonna do here is go ahead and cut these bones away from the meat, and then we'll go ahead and slice it up. Guys, I'll have a link for this knife here. It's a Rapala knife. I really like it a lot. It's great for trimming up meat. Oh wow. I wish you guys could smell this. It's really smelling good. So we're gonna go ahead and get this guy sliced up, and then the taste test. Look at this. Look how good this is. Nice and juicy. Go ahead and slice another one off. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. Look at all that wetness and moisture in there. I'm gonna cut me off a little piece. As soon as I rinse my hands off, do a little taste test. Right here. Look at that. We're going in. Really good. That garlic butter paste gives it that extra added flavor. And then the herbs, that rosemary, that thyme. This is good. Give this a try, guys. It's good on any occasion and every occasion. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you on the next one.